Hi, my name's Mark Whitmarsh. I'm the Technical Operations Manager for HOBART Service. HOBART Service are the market leaders in the catering industry, providing kitchen equipment installation, maintenance and service contracts throughout the UK. If your dishwasher is not working properly and you're not sure why, the first part of troubleshooting is to drain the machine down, turn off the power supply and clean. Press and hold the start button to drain the water out of the dishwasher. Turn machine off and isolate the electrical supply. Remove lower and upper wash arms and caps. Clean thoroughly with warm soapy water, rinse and put to one side. Remove the internal strainer and cover. Clean thoroughly with warm soapy water. Give the wash chamber a wipe down and remove any debris. Replace wash arms and strainer. Make sure these are the right way round. Check your manual if you're not sure. Check salt levels. Remove softener cap. Use the funnel provided and pour the salt granules until full. Rinse the cap and replace, making sure it's on tight. Check and clean the door and door seals using a mild detergent. Give the outside a clean, including the display. Double check the detergent levels. Turn the electrical supply back on and your machine should now be back on. If your machine is still not working properly, give our service team a call. We'll get a local service technician out urgently.